In 2015, world leaders from 193 countries came together at the United Nations and came up with 17 global goals to bring about sustainable development. The idea of sustainable development is to not leave anybody behind, to reduce inequality, eradicate poverty, provide clean water, good education and a safe environment for everyone, tackling major problems like climate change and pollution in major rivers. At Tideway, cleaning up the River Thames is core to our business, as is creating a sustainable city. We've mapped our legacy commitments, of which we have 54, against other United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Tideway's financing is directly tied to our sustainability performance. So we're really putting our money where our mouth is when it comes to sustainability.
The way humanity is living is unsustainable. That's why all the member states of the United Nations, back in 2015, signed up to the UN's Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, to eliminate poverty, protect the planet, and ensure everyone can enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. Now, some people think this is all about international development. It isn't. We here in the UK have a lot of work to do to meet all of the SDGs at home. Some people think it's all about government action. While governments bear the prime responsibility for meeting the SDGs, it will also be critically important that businesses step up to the mark and do everything they can to change their business operations to achieve social, environmental and economic sustainability at home and abroad. That's why it's great that companies like Tideway are stepping up themselves, recognising the challenge and changing the way they do business to help achieve sustainability here in the UK and across the globe, and reporting openly and transparently on the progress they are making.